All right, what's going on, everybody? Today I have a new video to show you, and it's all about the link in the bio. When it comes to Instagram, when it comes to Facebook, it's all about the link and how you can maximize the link you share. So I'm going to go over 3 of my websites that I absolutely love and have used before. And if you stay around to the end, smash the subscribe button right now and like this video. I'm going to share you one of the biggest pro tips that not many people even know about and are even using right now. So if you're ready, let's go. So my number 3 link in the bio that I have used, that I actually have used quite a few times, is going to be this site over here, instabio.cc. The one thing I like about this one is the fact that you could get it on the app, so you could easily edit this on your phone. They have the free version, they have the paid version. So let's dig into the features. So they have 3 different versions. The free, which is what I have used before, where I only get 2 links. I get access to their free themes, their free forms. I don't get to use it any subdomain or whatnot. You take what you get with the free version. Again, it's very basic to the point. You can't really do a lot editing wise. But if I was to go back to instabio.cc, I would likely spend the $5 a month, upgrade it so I get a little more with the insights. I could hide their branding, and I could add up to 10 links to my plan. So instabio.cc is a good one. The next one is a very popular one. It's Linktree. Let's see if I can remember my login. I think I did IG Barbell. Let's see if I even remember. I can't even remember my password. Nope. All right. So Linktree, again, is a very basic one. A lot of people use it, and you can see by their layout, it's very clean, easy to use. But again, without putting a little money behind it, and you can see in their pricing platforms, you're just going to basically get basic stuff. One thing that I do like about Linktree, though, is you could embed video content directly to your Linktree. I don't think you could do that with instabio.cc. It doesn't list that in the free. And obviously, with me having this YouTube channel, it's something I personally like to do, is add that video. It gives it a little more personalized touch. But again, you'd have to spend about $6 a month to see any of those analytics, and to unlock more things like priority links and leap link, which are actually pretty cool. So if you guys don't know about that, priority links are going to be anything where you want that filter to the top and shaking in different colors for a specific time frame. You could actually set that in your bio. And link leaping allows you to use that link tree and set it to go to a specific link for a duration of time. Something that I've done with my number 1 and the link plan that I currently use. So let me go ahead and talk about that. So again, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. I'm going to go over one more website that I like, that I actually am using currently right now, but I'm going to show you exactly what most people aren't doing that's even better than all of this stuff combined. I'm not even doing this yet because I've just starting to figure this out. But the last one is going to be beacons.io. I actually am logged into this. As you can see, this is the back end. So I like Beacons because of the level on the free version that you could even edit. Gives a ton of stuff. I've actually paid for the upgraded version, because what I did is I took the advanced feature, which is what I liked, and I added my custom domain. So I bought millionshark.com. I added that as my custom domain. If you want to do even more tracking, you could add your Facebook pixel, your Google Analytics, set parameters, set a custom SEO, and that's all with like the paid version. And another thing I do like You could easily add the email list. So if you guys don't know, email is king when it comes to sales, especially on Instagram. Once you get their email, you can do whatever you need to do. But it's very much, and it unlocks this paid request. So you could actually like set paid request in your bio, so people don't even have to go anywhere. They could just pretty much just say, hey, I want to do a coaching call, and they could just purchase the coaching call right off of your link without having to go to a site like Gumroads or a site like what's the other site that I talked about the other day? We had Gumroads, and I had, God, there was one more. Oh well, it doesn't matter. But as you can see, I did set up a few requests. You could set up to 5, and people could you could link it right to your PayPal. People could buy it and just go. So again, a bunch of different things you could do. You add the customized background, the whole nine. Again, I'm 100% biased because I'm currently using Beacons. And if you guys want to jump on the Beacons train, I will leave my link below. You could click on that own page right now and get basically 2 months of premium for free with that $20 credit. I have tons of people who ask me about the Beacons, so I'd be more than happy to let you smash that link right there to make your own page, get your 2 free months, and I'll even help you get your page looking really good, really clean. So again, that covers my top 3. So I went over instabio.cc, which my takeaway was that has an app, so it's easily editable on your phone. So if you don't have access to a laptop, you can do everything right from your phone. Linktree is just the ever popular, the evergreen one. Everybody knows it. Everybody that I know has used it. But very basic on the free version, can't really let you do a lot. And then Beacons will actually, if you give you 2 months of premium for free, to show you how good their service is. And again, Beacons is what I'm rolling with right now. But I have a very, 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 very big secret for you. If you don't want to go through any of these and you want to create your own site for free, I have 2 things you should be doing. Number 1 is going and setting up your own Bitly. So Bitly is this site, which a lot of people have probably used. It's a short link. So it basically takes that really long, massive link of www.google.com/millionshark/mentorship/ buy my product / subliminal marketing /1. And allows you to go in why does it ask me for all that? It allows you to go in and shorten those links up. And Bitly is also available on your phone. I won't finish that setup now because I don't really care to. But what I do want to show you in Canva, the almighty Canva, there's an actual place in Canva where you create design and you could create a website. And when you go to create that website, you could search all of these nice free templates that they have. You have tons of free templates, free. So I could sit there and click on something like this where I could easily just make and apply a 5-page website. And when I go to, take 10 minutes, edit it, add your information, you could add links, you could do whatever you need to do. Put your software. When you go to publish it as a website, you could select different styles where you could have it as scrolling, you could have it as the presentation. So if I open website over here, the presentation, it basically clicks through on the left and the right. If I say I want to see the scrolling, I could open the website and I could just have that scroll down. So that's more or less like what the link tree looks like right now. If I want classic navigation, it actually has the tabs up ahead. This is very easy where you could literally sit there and like on the very bottom screen just say, hey, get in touch with me right now, book the session. And you could have that link right there. And then the last one they do have is they have the standard single page where everything is just one and you just scroll down on it. There's no graphics or movement. So a lot of people are like, Matt, that looks cool, but what's that link look like? So once I hit publish as a website, I'm going to select scrolling. open website. So now you have your canva.com/this website number 2. So if I go here to like a regular page, you'll actually see that there. And this is where Bitly comes into place, because now you could copy and you could just go to your link shortener, which is Bitly, and make that so it's like bit.ly/ and then you could put your Instagram handle or whatever you want. So if you guys do this method, drop a comment below and let me know. This is a huge pro tip. Not a lot of people are doing this. So there you have it, guys. I gave you 3 websites that you could use to generate better links in your bio. And I even show you a free version on how to do it in Canva right now. So thank you. Drop a comment below and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.